Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate emails with Zapier. So it's kind of easy if you have your Zapier account already. What you're going to do here is just go on and tap on the create option. And all you have to do here is to create a trigger and event. So basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a trigger where Google Sheets act as the trigger and MailChimp is the action. So when something happens in Google Sheet like new row added, Zapier will automatically send data to MailChimp, like adding a new subscriber to your email list. So for trigger, you have to use a Google Sheet and make sure that you have your Google Sheet prepared already. Like in your Google Sheet, you have added new row. You set the Zap to watch for something like new row added, new or updated spreadsheet row. Each time you add a new contact or data line, Zapier detects it. So you have to create that one first on your Google Sheet. Once done, connect your Google Sheet account. And then after that, you can now go to action. So here you're going to connect your MailChimp. So basically, based on your setup, Zapier can add a person as a new subscriber to our MailChimp audience. So first you have to add MailChimp first. Look for MailChimp and then make sure that you have a MailChimp account. So you have to tap on the sign in right here. And then first you have to look for an action. And once you have found an action, then you can connect your MailChimp account. Now, here's the thing, once you have connected your MailChimp and once the Google Sheet is ready, then you will see that if a person or based on your setup, Zapier can add the person as a new subscriber to a MailChimp audience, update an existing subscriber, add a tag or move the contact into a specific MailChimp group or segment. So this is an automatic processing. Once the Zap is turned on, every new entry in your Google Sheet automatically triggers the same action in MailChimp. No manual upload required. So important notes, you must have column headers in your Google Sheet. MailChimp will not allow duplicates. You will need to connect both accounts like the Google and the MailChimp, and then make sure that you are using the correct account before doing this. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.